Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And I just wanted to quickly show you today the offerings that we have for the printable sticker kits in our Etsy shop at Periwinkle Planner Co. for February. So here's the month. It's already in my planner, it's already starting to be used, and I love it. So that's the month. And then we have the compact vertical for here's the January, February week, which you get it with January, February, and then I believe I'm giving it to you too with just February in case you want to use it a different week or a different way. So here's one kit. And then here's the next kit. A little bit of Valentine's coming in there with the pink and red and the flowers. And then this is for Valentine's week. And then this is for the next week. And then the following week will be in March, which would be the week of the 27th through the 5th of March. And then for the Daily Duo, nope, I don't have those printed out yet or set up. I will be doing, I'll post a picture right here of what they are. And I will be doing some videos for those in February. I think I'm going to do Plan With Me's more on those and setting those up so that you can see how those work. And then we keep working on the next quarter. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.